Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change picture settings on JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side to open the settings styles. Here, we're gonna have to select display and audio, then select picture settings and then select the input for which you want to change the picture settings. So for example, let's select PlayStation. Then on the sidebar, we'll be able to change the picture mode and the list of additional settings like backlight, dynamic backlight mode, color saturation, screen settings, and in advanced settings we can also change the contrast, brightness, dynamic contrast. To change any of these values, we have to move these sidebars either to the left to decrease the value or to the right to increase it. Now we have local contrast here, gamut, tint, color, temperature, and all the rest of the settings. And once you leave this menu, the settings will be applied automatically. If you want to reset them, select picture reset right here at the bottom of the picture settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.